Lightweight construction and durability are core requirements for modern inner tubes. How does Fuchun Tire achieve this without sacrificing thickness or wear resistance? Today, we'll uncover the process and technology behind this achievement. For over 30 years, Fuchun Tire has consistently led the industry, meticulously controlling every step of the production process to deliver high-performance inner tube products to our customers. First, lightweight design stems from precise formulation. We employ a scientifically balanced ratio of high-strength natural rubber and synthetic rubber to reduce material density while maintaining elasticity and strength. Secondly, lightweight design relies on precision manufacturing. Fuchun Tire inner tubes employ automated extrusion and high-precision cutting equipment to ensure uniform wall thickness in every inner tube. Thinner yet resilient, this construction effectively reduces rolling resistance and overall weight. Durability stems from comprehensive testing throughout the entire production process. Each inner tube undergoes tens of thousands of inflation and deflation cycles, extreme pressure resistance tests, and high-speed rolling simulations. This ensures exceptional resistance to abrasion, aging, and impact even in the most challenging road conditions, whether for cars, heavy vehicles, bicycles, or motorcycles. Fuchun Tire inner tubes provide reliable support, extend service life, and enhance driving safety. Lightweight doesn't mean fragile. Durability comes from technology. Fuchun Tire using innovative technology and strict standards to create inner tube solutions that are trusted worldwide. Contact us to explore more possibilities.